Well, I'm out again after a few rabbits, and the first thing I do is check the farmer's back garden to see if there's any rabbits about. But all I see is these weena woolly lawnmowers, you could say, and this big old thrush down the garden looking for earthworms and slugs, which is a nice sight and a nice evening. So I go round to the back paddock to see if there's anything about, and sure enough I spot a rabbit down at the bottom hedgerow. The rabbits are used to seeing people moving about the yard, so camouflage isn't much use here, but I always try and make my way across as quietly as possible. And if I do make a noise underfoot, I pause for a second before moving on. But once I get to the ranch fencing, I use it as a handy way to rest the rifle and take the shot. It's about 40 yards away, and the pellet hit it cleanly in the head. I take a moment to scan along the rest of the hedgerow to see if there's any more rabbits about, but that seems to be the only one at the minute. So I'll go down to pick it up. It's a nice sized rabbit, shot clean through the head, and I give its bladder a bit of a squeeze. I don't want a lot of urine running around inside of my brand new game bag. Definitely wouldn't help the smell of it. So once I had the rabbit gathered up, I head it down or across the other fields. There only is about 5 fields here. It's not a very big farm, and I couldn't see anything else that evening. So just before the light failed, I had a look in the back paddock again. And sure enough, there was a rabbit out about 50 yards away. I think the rabbits here have been used to getting shot at, so they wait to the last 15-20 minutes of light before they really start coming out. But again, using the ranch fencing and the gate to steady the rifle over, I take aim at the rabbit and take it with a nice clean headshot. Unfortunately the camera was slightly off zero, but I still managed to get the shot on film, thankfully. The light's really starting to go quickly now. Rabbit was nicely taken with a headshot, just behind the eye and below the ear, straight through the brain. Again I give its bladder a bit of a squeeze. And drop it into the game bag with the other one. Well, just a couple of rabbits this evening, but it was a nice stroll round on a summer's evening, and I did manage to get a bit of footage for you.